Hey everyone, I'm Gerard from SERIALNINE. Today we're going to talk about arms and SERIALNINE products generally. SERIALNINE prides itself on having high quality parts packed with innovation and style. Part of that is working with our partners to ensure everything is moving along smoothly, all aspects are up to our standards, and all the criteria is being met. Today we're headed to one of our machinists to check on the production of the billet rear upper. All of our arms are now billet aluminum, and this one in particular is a very complex part. It required a lot of development to get to this stage, from the initial CAD designs to the 3D printing, and back and forth with the machinist to work on cost effectiveness. And then they had to do the programming, the fixturing, and now we're here at the machining. It's crazy to finally see these arms come to life. I've been running them on my car for over a year, testing them, and they're finally ready to come to you. As you can see, they're in the middle of production right now, so they should be available shortly. Check them out on our website, as well as all the other arms or any other cool products. SERIALNINE.com.